Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to favorite a folder on ClickUp. Maybe you want to quickly access and prioritize folders that contain important or frequently used tasks. So today I'm going to show you how to favorite a folder on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on this freelance icon at top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Spaces. In this list of spaces, select the one that contains the folder that you want to favorite. Once you have found the folder, tap on it, then tap on this icon on the right to open the folder. In this page, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, a window with various options will appear, and here, since you wanted to favorite this folder, simply tap on this Add to Favorites option. After that, you now have successfully favorite a folder on ClickUp. The folder is now easily accessible in the sidebar under Favorites section. It is a great way to streamline your workspace and focus on what matters most. There you go. If you wanted to know how to favorite a folder on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to favorite a folder on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.